Good morning. It's October the 16th, 2013, and these are market truths. What are truths? Truths are facts. Price points on a chart are facts. 100% accurate. Now, there are some services out there, and there is also lots and lots of new services that you can attach to the software so you can stay up to date and listen to news. And some chartists out there say, well, good news is here, we should have bought here. Oh, this was bad news and the market fell. Good news, bad news. Market's going to crash if we're only up on top of that news. But what is news? It's a bit superfluous. Is it not presumptive reasoning? We sit and wait for a weather forecast because it is a forecast. It is not a truth. It is not a fact. It's a forecast. So the best news can do is forecast. Forecast. Do you want to trade on forecasts or do you want to trade on truths? Charts are truths. Price points, 100% accurate. The S&P 500, 100% accurate. This is a daily chart. Each candle represents a day. Have we not talked in the last month or so about this channel that goes all the way back to 2011? This knew nothing about news, market crashes, nothing about Obamacare, and the results of that news. This chart showed us support, showed a morning star pattern. It rose to where? Resistance, a double top resistance, double top, stochastics, a crossover. And look what happens here. We now have another support level. So each candle represents a day. And so a few days ago, last week, we did form a morning star pattern at the support level from 2011, and we are now rising to where? To resistance. This may be a resistance level. Looks like resistance right now to me. Or will it rise above and touch this channel? This support line goes all the way back to 2001, or 2000, 99, 2000, which shows us a double top. And it shows that we broke out and above that double top. But if you purchased here in 1999 or 2000, and you would have rode the market all the way down, 10 years later you would have woke up and hopefully you would have been even. You would have made nothing. That's why the markets trade at support and resistance. That's why we need to understand support and resistance and market truths. This line, September 2009. Trend line from 2009 to 2013. Let's see where that trend line brings us to current day. We haven't even come down and tested it, because we haven't fallen out of this channel from 2011. We did test this at one time. We almost tested it here, 2009 low. We have the 200-day moving average moving underneath. 50-day is above the 200, and when it crossed above, that's called a golden cross. If it crosses under, it is called a death cross. Coca-Cola, ExxonMobil are showing a death cross. They own the world. Not to worry. It's just a cycle. But news, or is it resistance, support? Resistance, support. Market truths, 100% accurate. Buyers buy, sellers ask for a credit to their account. That is the ask. And that's where they sell and accept the price. Their account is credited. So you can go by news, or you can go by the charts. And sometimes you have a very good day. But not to beat this dead horse of news over truths, market truths, our prices. There's all kinds of tools and sophisticated software. I'm not sure if this will show up, but I have just news, CNBC, TV, all kinds of research, all kinds. It just goes on forever. And all kinds of tools here to see the top traders for the day and 52-week highs as well as 52-week lows. But right here, witnessing Bank of America, 1461. And the previous close of 1424, low of 1431 today. It is now on its high. And we can see the bidders, the buyers, 59,000 to 50,000 asking, 71,000. So then you'll see the sellers come in when the sellers overwhelm the bidders. Right now, the buyers have it. They're having their way, purchasing 350,000 shares, 600, 1,000, buying, 89,000 on the ask. We'll see some selling until the buyers get back in control. And you can bounce around this till it drives you insane. There goes the sellers. But we have 219,000 bidders now for only 64,000 sellers. News or market truths? Facts. Follow the facts, the buyers and the sellers, and you can't go wrong.